Have you ever knit a pair of socks that just don't fit? Wondering how to make a custom pair of socks for you and your family? Keep watching the video to find out how. Hello friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Julie and I am the knitwear designer behind Twin Stitches Designs. Today I have such a fun, incredible announcement for you all. I am a knit star for season 10. Knit Stars is a fun platform where makers worldwide get to teach a masterclass where you can view it online from your own home. You can stay in your pajamas with your hair up in a bun and watch these incredible masterclasses over and over again from makers worldwide. This season, I am honored to be part of this incredible crew. They have not only had 10 makers, but this year they've upped it up a notch to 15 incredible makers, both knit and crochet. Now we're gonna dive into what is Knit Stars, how you can get started, as well as why you should sign up. For Knit Stars Season 10, I am teaching a class all on custom fit socks. This is going to be a fun, incredible masterclass going over how to customize a pair of socks to better fit you and for your entire family. This is going to include children's sizes all the way to adult large sizes, those men's sizes, to be able to really go through custom fit socks. We're going to be going over the math and having fun. I'll put my affiliate link down below. My affiliate link is one of the ways that I am compensated for being a knit star. So when you do purchase through my affiliate link, I do earn a commission. And I truly appreciate every single one of you that purchases through that. It means the world to me and helps support me as a maker and designer. So I truly, truly appreciate all of your love and your support. Make sure as well at the checkout that you use Season X. We'll give you $50 off the entire season. When you go and purchase, you cannot purchase an individual class, but you can purchase through the season. Through this masterclass that I will be providing, there will also be fun patterns. These patterns are exclusive to the masterclass, as well as exclusive yarn kits and colors. Maggie is another fellow twin mom, and I've collaborated with her multiple times in the past. I absolutely adore her and her yarns, and it was just a match made in heaven. You can purchase these exclusive kits online with the early bird signups. You can only purchase the current yarn kits for each maker if you purchase Knit Stars. Now, some of these colors are exclusive to Knit Stars and you won't be able to snag anywhere else. Purchasing your ticket early will give you access to more behind the scene content, help fund the entire production of Knit Stars, and will also get you first access to all of the yarn kits and yarn and be able to be delivered in time for the fall. All of these Knit Star classes are being released in fall of 2025. I can't wait for you to see all of these incredible makers, season, and everything that we have in store for you. Knit Stars is an online platform where you can view these masterclasses for the whole season at your own pace. What is really neat is once you purchase the whole season, they are yours. You can rewatch them as many times as you want, go back to refer to them. Once you purchase the season, it's yours to keep. Knit Stars is definitely an investment, so there are a few options as well as payment plans available for you. Knit Stars has thought of it all this season, and I'm really excited to share those. There are 3 different options where you can go and purchase. As I mentioned, we have Knit Stars this season as well as Crochet Stars. We have 15 amazing makers included in this bundle for you. If you are interested in just the knit classes, we have an option for you with the 10 makers included in there for you. They also have an option of just the 5 crochet classes, and they have an all-in package of the knit and crochet. This one is definitely what I recommend because it's way more classes, bang for your buck. For the entire season, it can range anywhere between 18 to 22 hours. When you look at the pricing with the early bird discount, it comes up to approximately less than $20 a class, which is absolutely mind-blowing because online you can't go to a yarn festival or do any of that travel or even take a class for less than $20. All of these have payment plans depending on your country. I will put down below the restriction, but they are available for multiple countries, US, Canada, UK, and I think Australia as well. Depending on where you're located, you can choose these payment plan options to make it more affordable for you. The yarn kits are definitely optional, but they are a fun perk to try and snag a yarn kit for your class and have it all ready and set and make along with the maker. This season, we have so many wonderful instructors worldwide bringing you cinematic quality for these masterclasses. I am so beyond thrilled and excited and honored to be among these makers, and I'm still pinching myself today that they had asked me to do so. I started knitting socks over 13 years ago when I started my journey, and the pair of socks that I showed at the beginning, this is actually the first pair of socks I had ever made. And it's actually my first knitting project ever. I decided to teach myself on YouTube 13 years ago, picked up a pair of double-pointed needles, some pattern wool, and decided to try and knit a pair of socks. Were they perfect? Absolutely not. I've learned so much since then, and it's an honor and a privilege to be able to come to you all and teach you all of my knowledge on fitting a pair of socks. For this masterclass, I will be going over all of the details, and I also want to show you off the patterns that are going to be included in my masterclass. Here is the first pattern in the collection. It is so fun. I'm going to teach you how to do some jogless stripes, and all of the patterns are graded from children all the way to adult large, so you can make these in any color palette for the whole family. Pattern number 1 is knit with fingering held single. Pattern number 2 is knit with fingering held double. So you can see already, this is all with the same yarn kit, so this yellow is from there, and we've included it in here. And pattern number 3 is also fingering held double. I'm gonna put this one on a soft blocker because it might be one of my favorite. I love all of them, but this one is just so fun and magical. Really love it. This one includes all of the minis included in the yarn kit. So you can see some of these colors are featured in here. When you purchase the yarn kit available through KnitStars, you will have enough yarn to create all of the pairs of socks. So don't stress or worry about ordering more. You will have enough for those pairs of socks. If all of this wasn't enough, KnitStar even topped it up a notch. Each maker, which we are 15 incredible makers, have chosen a charity to donate to. This season, we are donating $1,000 to every single one of the charities. But wait, it gets better. If we hit our sign-up goals of 10,000 signups, they will 10x that number and donate to all 15 charities $10,000. That is just absolutely mind-blowing to be able to donate that to these charities that really need all of the funds. So if all of that wasn't enticing enough, your purchase also will help go towards that charity. If we can hit that 10,000 goal, we will 10x that number. I chose Humane Canada. They are an organization that helps with the SPCAs as well against animal cruelty across Canada-wide. Animals have always been such a soft spot to me. I have adopted both of my cats from our local SPCA, and I love being able to donate and provide help to animals in need that can't speak for themselves. It is a very close charity to my heart. I am honored to be able to partner with them for KnitStars to be able to donate some money to their incredible charity. If KnitStars, this is the first time you're hearing about it, there's also something known as the golden ticket. A golden ticket is something that you can purchase at a fraction of the price in the early bird discount. You can purchase the golden ticket that will include all 10 seasons. From season 1 all the way to season 10 will include everything as a golden ticket. This is a fraction of the price and a really good bang for your buck. KnitStars is definitely an investment, and especially with this golden ticket. But if you compare that to going to Rhinebeck or any other knitting festival, you will pay that much and more just in the travel, food, and lodging fee. That doesn't include your yarn purchase, friends. Also, won't include your classes. If you purchase with the golden ticket, you will have access to every single season, including season 10, at a fraction of the price. It is absolutely mind-blowing the amount of information in there. You get to learn from makers worldwide. I hope that you guys will come and join me over on KnitStars, use my affiliate link down below, and please feel free as well to share that link with friends and share this video for anyone who's not really sure what is KnitStars. If you have any other questions, please let me know down below. I am here to help you out. I hope that you all have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you hopefully over on KnitStars. Happy knitting, friends!